Hey trader, it's a recap time at Trade Tribe Hub. Let's take a look back in the trades we have recently taken in the gold. We are analyze our entries, exits, and outcome of each trade, providing valuable insights into our trading approach and performance. As in last week, we have traded around 5 trades. So let's see what we were trading, and let's go to the market recap of it. So there was a supply on here. It's a 15-minute supply area. How it becomes a supply area for us? Market obviously came down, rejected this area, and obviously then market goes down in an impulsive move downside. So this become a very strong supply area for us. On Friday, news happened. Market again goes upside, downside. We never traded. I believe this was the trade which we have taken. It was our last trade, and obviously we secured around 63 pip. After that, market then again goes up and we were out of the market. We waited for this area patiently on Monday. We get this area, we market tab this area, and after that it manages us to give 77 pips total. We secured around 70 pips over there or 50 pips, but the total it was 177 pips and risk to reward was 1:6, which is the reason we trade. This is a Monday trade. As you can clearly see, it's given on a 15-minute supply area. Let's move on Tuesday. It was a pretty good day, but what we see, demand zone. How it becomes a demand zone? Market move downside, change of character happen, market move upside, then break of structure happen, then market move in an up direction. There was everything going on in the market. There was this thing which is called as liquidity. And market always created pretty much, and then market broke it, and market again tap it, and then it goes tap this area, market goes upside. How we missed the entry? We missed our entry by 2 pips. This was our entry on this 15-minute demand area, and we missed our entry over here, right over here. Just as you can clearly see that we have already mentioned in the telegram that even our entries were tapping, but still we didn't get the trade because of spread. It was around 1 pip. So there was a form for us. If we miss the trade, market goes upside. We were just waiting patiently that we will get trade. It's not getting a FOMO, it's just a patience. Trading is all about patience, and we were patient that day. Okay, now what happened? What happened is market again goes upside direction. There was a change of character happens over here, and then we can see a break of structure happen. Market rejected this area. So this was a pretty much strong area for us as a supply zone, and we were expecting to get some rejection from here. We wait patiently for that day, and in the New York session, we get the trade. Market tap this area, and it goes around 135 pips down, giving us risk to reward pretty much good. Our trade was something like this. So as you can see, 1:7, 18 pips stop loss, and our partials were around 50 to 60 pips. This is how we usually trade. And see, our patience gave us the reward. The reward was in the favor of 135 pips, which we secured. And this was a trade on Tuesday. Obviously, we given on a telegram both the trade, and we have mentioned that cancel this trade as market moves without us, and we just wait patiently for it. And yeah, we get another trade. So see if we get both the trades on the day. We were securing around more than 300 pips, but I believe market was not in our favor. Okay, Wednesday again, market created something like this. Market creates a break of structure, and then market moves in the upside direction. So what I was expecting is market to come downside and tap this area, and it was my 15-minute demand zone, and I was expecting market to reject this area, tap this area, and market to move on. It was given on a buy limit order, so we can't do anything that we should see the market, and then no, it was our area. We trade this area, and market broke this area, and we hit the stop loss. So it was around 22 pip stop loss that we get hit. No problem about 22 pips because we are securing some goods, so it doesn't matter for me to hit my strategy. I just have a one setup, and that's enough for me and for Trade Tribe Hub. So we trade only on supply and demand, nothing else. Again, this was the area from where I was expecting reaction, not this area. Again, this was the area, but my pattern was showing me this area as it was a big, as it was a area from where I can see the market can reject, and it obviously hold this area for some time, but eventually it broke this area and market tap from this demand zone. Oh, sorry, supply area. This was the supply area from where market tap and it rejects, but we managed to stop down on 16 tips. So again, on Wednesday, two losses, and that was enough. Two trades a day, and if it's a loss, then we move forward. What if we get from here? So yeah, this was also my area, but obviously I was expecting market to give some retracement from here, then tap this area, then again a retracement. And on the retracement, we will manage some 30 pips, 40 pips, but market didn't give us, and that was my day off. But there was also this trade which I was going to give, but it's better to, after two losses, it's better to stay away from the market. This is how you control your psychology, and we never traded that day. Okay, let's move on to Thursday. That was the last trade for us, and it was some good trade. Okay, as you can clearly see that we efficiently wait, that market was creating a trend line over here, and after that we see a change of factor, major change of factor. It was a news impact, then market takes it to the upside on Thursday. We waited on a 15-minute demand zone. It's a 15-minute supply, but I have marked it as a 5-minute. Reasons are I traded on 5 because New York session is better to trade on a 5-minute supply zone. If market is coming to the 30-minute supply zone, just go with the lower time frame and market as a 15-minute. Then go on a more lower time frame and go on a 5-minute. That's much better for me. But I also sometimes 15-minute depend upon the market how it is moving. So when it's a high volume, I recommend 5 minutes so that your stop losses should be pretty much small and market will definitely tap your area. But in London, I definitely look for 15 minutes because market doesn't have that much volume. It's just a consolidation volume, or you can say manageable. But in New York, you can't manage the volume, and gold is always volatile in it. So on a 5 minute, was given on a 5 minute. Let me just show you on a 5 minute, so that will be much better for you. As you can clearly see that on a 5-minute bearish last candle, I have put it, and then I was looking for sales over here, and definitely we were getting stopped out right over here, which was around 22 to 23 pips. But market never though. We believe in our strategy. We hold. We don't have any. What you can say that. We were not getting into FOMO or anything that we can stop out what will happen or nothing. It's our plan, it's our strategy. We have worked on it, so definitely we have trust on it. That's why we are trading here. This is how our psychology maps. So we traded this area, we were holding this trade, and as you can clearly see that we managed to hold around 55 pip partial. What if we move to 55 pip partials? It was around 55 pip was around 55 pip for 1:3. We managed to do 1:3.61 trade. And second TP was also it, which was around 153 pips, but the market has moved to 175, 156 or 157 pips, and after that market moved in the upside direction. We were looking for some rejection from here, and if market tap this area, we were definitely looking for some buys from here, but market never came to this area. So this was our weekly analysis about market recap, and I hope you guys should like it. So keep up with us on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok for more trade recap updates and educational content. Join our community as we continue to navigate to the market together. Hope take care. Bye bye.